Hey everybody, it's Brittany, and today I'm going to show you Chewie's Pupdate. He is 4 months old. He is right here trying to jump up at the camera. About 15 pounds. He goes on walks very well and he loves them. He is basically fully potty trained now. He's teething. He's been on a bunch of adventures with us and he absolutely is just loving being home, and we are absolutely love having him. He loves every single toy I ever given him. Okay, don't bite mommy's jeans. Obviously, a little bit of teething, but yes, I literally just went and bought him some more toys because he's ripped through his other ones, and he absolutely adores them all. So it's super fun to have him. He loves people, and he's just super cute. So let's see him. Buddy. Hi, Chewie. Say hi. Say hi, Bubba. He's like, I don't want to do this. Mom, what are you looking at me like that for? What are you looking at me like that for, kid? No, don't chew on mommy's pants. Yeah, he's very cute. He knows a bunch of commands. And I wonder if he would show them for you. So hold on. Let me see if he will do his cute commands that he knows. Okay, sit. Chewie, sit. No, that's down. Oh, you just woke up from a nap, so you're probably stretching. Okay, get up, buddy. Get up. Get up. Up. Chewie, up. Oh, you know that one? That's up. All right, sit. Paw. Good boy. All right, Chewie, down. Okay, he's chewing. Hold on. Good boy, buddy. All right, down. Down. Down, buddy. All the way. Down. Down, buddy. Down. All the way. Down. There you go. He puts his little head down sometimes. I don't have a treat in my hand, so he's like, excuse you, Mom. Where's my treat? Okay. Down. Down. Oh, there you go. Good boy. Good boy. But yeah, he's a big buddy now. Like I said, he's 15 pounds. His little grinchy paws. I have to trim them. He's also gotten all of his shots, besides, I think, the rabies shot, because he has to be a little bit older for that. I need to call a vet and schedule that. And then, yeah, we haven't gotten him groomed yet. I like the cute little teddy bear look. We might get him cut a little bit later in the summer, just so he's cooler. But he's a good buddy. He doesn't mind baths at all. He kind of hates them, but then kind of loves them at the same time. But he is such a good little boy, and we love him. And he is so cute. Say hi, Chewie. He's like, what is this? In my face. Okay, a little update, because this was super cute, and I had to get it for him. There was a Chewbacca bowl. Yes, I found a Chewbacca bowl and a bunch of Star Wars stuff at boxed lunch, and I already got him his bowls, so I had to get him one. And so that is his new water bowl, and he just loves water and gets it all over. And it's crazy. Did you get your avocado? Show the people your avocado, Bubba. Is this your avocado, kiddo? Did you get your avocado? He loves his avocado. Good boy, kiddo. Oh, and your bone? Bone and avocado all at the same time? Okay. Live your life, Chew. Can't you see how different it is? He used to barely fill up this little, donut bed, and now he's, fully in it, and it's very funny and very sad because he's not little anymore. I mean, he's still little, but he's not super little. So he could get anywhere between 15 and 22 pounds, I think maybe 25. So he's kind of right in the range that he's supposed to. He'll probably still grow, probably a couple more months. We're hoping he stays around 20 pounds. But, whatever he does, we'll be happy. We love him. He's our little floofball. What are you doing, Bugs? Hi, Bubba. Oh, you go potty? All right, hold on. Intermission. He has to go potty. Okay, baby. Hi, Chew. Gotta go potty? Okay, hold on. Okay, so it's been a hot minute. I think the last time I vlogged about him was right when we brought him home. But he's gone on a few adventures, gone to the beach. I have a video of him playing with one of his best doggy friends. I think I just have some random videos, maybe him after a bath and stuff. So I'll throw all of these clips in here. So enjoy these cute puppy clips. Hi. Tell everybody hi. Good boy. He's like, where's my treat now, Mom? You silly boy. We love Chewie. He is so cute and he is turning into a very well-behaved doggo and we love him and he's been very good. We haven't had any health problems with him. He's been very healthy. We have learned that he does not like to sleep. So he doesn't take naps during the day. We have to actually put him down for a nap in order for him to nap. We started doing that and his behavior got 10 times better. So besides that, he's honestly just been such a good doggo and he just loves people and loves Blaine and I. And we have absolutely enjoyed having him a part of our family. So this is his 4-month pup date. And if you have any questions about Chewie or about puppies in general, feel free to leave a comment down below and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait for the next Pupdate to show you more about Chewie.